Welcome back. If you enjoyed our deep dive into the basics of software testing, you're going to love this next part. Today, we're exploring how software testing has evolved over the years, moving from manual processes to modern automation. Follow us on TikTok at testing_tips4 for more quick tips and behind-the-scenes content. Back in the early days of software development, testing was a painstakingly manual process. Testers had to go through each function of the software step by step, documenting every glitch and bug they encountered. It was time-consuming and often prone to human error. Imagine writing down every single detail on paper or in spreadsheets. Sounds exhausting, right? But as technology advanced, so did the methods of testing. Enter automated testing. Automated testing uses special software tools to run pre-scripted tests on the application. This means that repetitive tasks can be performed quickly and accurately, freeing up human testers to focus on more complex scenarios that require critical thinking. Let's break it down with an example. Consider an e-commerce website. In the past, a tester would manually check if the Add to Cart button worked, if the checkout process was smooth, and if payment gateways were secure, every single time the site was updated. With automated testing, these repetitive tasks can be executed in a matter of minutes, ensuring that no bug goes unnoticed even after multiple updates. Automated testing tools like Selenium, Junit, and Test Complete have become game changers in the industry. They can perform a wide range of tests, from functional and regression tests to performance and load tests. This not only speeds up the development process, but also ensures a higher level of accuracy and reliability in the final product. However, it's essential to remember that automated testing doesn't replace manual testing entirely. Human insight is still crucial for understanding the user experience and for exploratory testing, where testers look for unexpected issues that automated scripts might miss. So, as we continue to innovate and develop new technologies, the role of software testing will only grow in importance. From manual methods to sophisticated automated tools, testing remains a cornerstone of producing high-quality software. Don't forget to follow us on TikTok at testing_tips4 for more insights and tips on software testing. Hit the like button, subscribe, and ring that bell icon to stay updated with our latest content. See you in the next video.